Can a machine think like you? Can it solve problem faster than you? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where car drive themselves, doctor diagnoses diseases in seconds, and your phone understand your feelings. Sound like science fiction, right? But this is the reality of artificial intelligence. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of the most exciting and powerful technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, also known as AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence simply means making machine smart, enabling them to think, learn, and make decisions just like human. It includes think like learning from data, reasoning logically, solving problems, understanding language, and even recognize images or voices. History of AI. The idea of AI is not new. In 1950, Alan Turing asked the famous question, can machines think? In 1956, John McCarthy officially coined the term artificial intelligence. Over the year, AI progressed from IBM's Deep Blue beating world chess champion in 1997 to AI assistant like Siri and Alexa, and today advanced model like ChatGPT and self-driving cars. Branches of AI. AI is a vast field. Some key branches are machine learning, where machine learn from data, and deep learning, inspired by the human brain, and third, natural language processing, which help computer understand human language. Computer vision, which enable machine to see. Robotics, where AI meets physical machine, and expert system built for solving domain specific problems. AI versus human intelligence. While AI can perform repetitivity tasks faster and more accurately than human, it lacks emotions, creativity, and true understanding. AI is powerful assistant, not a replacement. Application of AI. AI is everywhere in healthcare, diagnosis diseases, discovering drugs, in finance, preventing fraud, helping in stock market analysis, in education, providing personalized learning, in transportation, making self-driving car possible, in entertainment, recommending movies or music, and in business, automating process and decision making. Advantages of AI. The biggest strength of AI are efficiency. Advantages of AI. The biggest strength of AI are efficiency, accuracy, availability, and the ability to handle big data. Challenges and risks. However, AI also has challenges, job loss due to automation, bias in algorithm, privacy issues, and the risk of becoming to depend on machines. Future of AI. The future of AI is not machines replacing human, but human and machine working together. AI will play a hug role in smarter healthcare, better education, fighting climate changes, and solving global challenges. But it must be developed ethically and responsibly. Conclusion. In short, AI is not just technology; it is a transformation, a tool to enhance human potential, not replace it. So tell me in the comments, do you see AI as an opportunity or as a challenges? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insight on AI and technologies. Thank you.